Hi there, Heather Pierce Campbell, the Legal Website Warrior, attorney and legal coach, coming at you today with another 1-minute legal tip. So in this video, I wanted to talk briefly about the FTC's 3-day cooling off rule. If you are a person that does any like selling or speaking from stage, not just speaking, but if you're selling from stage and you're actually transacting in-person sales, right? And at an industry event, any kind of a venue where there are sales happening from stage and you're participating, you want to make sure you know about the 3-day cooling off rule. And what this is a 3-day period that applies that actually allows a buyer to cancel the sale. And to comply with the FTC's regulations, you need to provide, and this is if you're making sales greater than $130, right? But really, really important, especially for people that are making high dollar sales, right? You want to make sure that you comply with this rule and that you're providing proper notice so that you don't get your business in trouble and so that people can't be canceling much later, much after the fact if they don't initiate that right to cancel within the 3-day period. So at the time of sale, you want to obviously provide them with their contract or receipt. Needs to be dated. You need to have 2 copies of a cancellation form that informs them of their right to cancel. You need to also verbally inform them at the time of sale that they have 3 days to cancel. If they do cancel, right, if they do execute and mail in that form and postmark it within before the midnight on the 3rd business day following the sale, you need to refund all the money and also then handle any either refund if it's a product sale, if it's obviously like a coaching package or educational package or something, right? You need to have terms in place that will handle that. But you need to make sure that you are honoring the timelines for returning the money and handling the return of the order. So make sure that you know about that rule. Make sure that you update any forms, any sales forms that you're using if you are selling from the stage or at in-person at events. Just make sure that you are following this rule so that you are not getting your business in trouble and so that you're avoiding the expense of people who maybe weren't properly informed about that 3-day rule trying to cancel after the fact, especially if they learn about it and you didn't provide proper notice. Okay, hope this helps. Stay safe out there. Get in touch if you have any questions. Bye-bye.